Welcome back to Cooking with Lux. Today I want to show you how you can make a quick and easy pan-seared steak on a budget. I purchased a $10 sirloin steak at my local grocery store, and the first step is to pat the steak dry with a kitchen paper towel. I'm seasoning the steak on both sides with black pepper and salt. All the measurements of this recipe will be in the description box below. Now that I've seasoned the steak, I recommend heating the pan at medium heat. I've added 2 smashed cloves of garlic, and if you have herbs such as rosemary, this would be a great time to add them. It adds additional flavor to that melted butter and oil. I prefer my steaks medium rare, and so I'll be cooking them 2 minutes per side. If you're looking for further instructions on cook times, I'll include them in the description below. Here, I'm basting the steak so that it allows the surface to stay moist. Once it's ready, it's very important to let it rest on the board for 5 minutes. Cutting into a medium rare steak means that you'll be getting a slightly reddish pink center. Wow, there you have it, ready to be served up. When you're ready to plate, try adding some chimichurri sauce as seen in my previous video. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe, hit that like button, and turn on the notification to see more. See you soon!